Magandang hapon po ng November 11, 2025 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng November 11, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, November 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 11, 2025 Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, November 11, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 11, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.